Today we're gonna make this awesome Christmas light artwork. All that we need for this is a piece of black construction paper, some fluorescent pastels, a template of a Christmas light, some small white pieces of paper, a pencil, and some scissors. Let's start with putting down the wire that we're gonna be attaching all of our Christmas lights to. So if you look at mine, I just did two swirls, two like loops on here of like a curly line, and you can pick any color that you like. And if you would like to do more, or if you would like your wire that your lights are going to be attached to just some other type of pattern, you can absolutely do that. So figure out how you want that to go on here. Maybe I'll make mine look a little bit different on my example that I'm going to make here in the video. I think for this one I'm going to use the color pink. Okay, so I'm gonna set that aside, and I'm also gonna make sure that I put my name on it. Now I'm gonna take my Christmas light template, and on my example, I have 12 lights. It seems like you wanna have between 9 and 12 lights, and you don't have to trace every single one individually. You can trace up to 3 lights at a time. So that's what I'm gonna do here. I have 4 groups of paper. I'm gonna trace this template 4 different times, and I have 3 pieces of paper in each stack right here. So 3 pieces of paper in each stack times 4 stacks equals 12 Christmas lights. So I'm gonna trace them with pencil first and then cut them out. So you don't want to stack up more than 3 papers at a time, or you're really gonna struggle being able to cut these out nicely. It'll just be too much paper all at once. So I'm making sure that I'm keeping all 3 pieces of paper squeezed together in between my thumb and my forefinger on my one hand as I'm cutting with my other. I don't want those papers to move as I'm cutting, or they're gonna not look like Christmas lights. Now I'm gonna set out all of my Christmas lights, and I'm gonna work on the details that I want to add to them. And inside each of the bulbs, I'm gonna put like a little squiggle. If you Google Christmas bulbs, this is what the inside kind of looks like. You can make it look any way that you want. So there's usually like a filament inside of old school Christmas bulbs, and that is what lights them up. So that's the type of shape that I was trying to create here. And then at the bottom where those lines are, that's supposed to be like where it screws into the wire. And so, you know, you can add those like threads. If you want, you can make yours diagonal, you can make them straight. So figure out what you want to do to add some details onto your bulbs. They can be like mine, they could be a little bit different, so be creative. So I'm gonna apply that on all of these bulbs now. So once your Christmas bulbs are all designed, you can grab your black piece of paper again and start to kind of set them out where you think you want them to go. The bottom part should be attached and touching the pink line or whatever color line you have, because that makes them appear that they are on the string of lights. Now I'm gonna glue all of my lights down. Once your lights are all glued down like this, then you're gonna make sure you have your fluorescent pastels, and they do need to be chalk pastels for this. And then figure out what your color scheme is gonna be. I used all of the colors for my lights, but maybe your lights are only orange or yellow or pink or whatever, or maybe just pink and purple. So pick your colors that you wanna use, kind of have that figured out, and then we're gonna color just inside of the light, not down onto the threading, but just inside of the light. We're gonna color, and then we're gonna be smearing out from inside of that light. So let's do it on one and see how it's done. I'm just gonna color. I'm trying really hard to not accidentally color on the black paper. I want to keep the coloring on the light itself. really want to put down some extra. And then I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to smear out like it's to make it look like it's glowing. Now, if when you go to do that, you feel like there's not enough, you can always go back and add more pastel and smear some more. So now I'm going to go ahead and do that on all of my lights. All right, another Christmas light artwork success.